On today's tour, we got a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, open concept, craftsman style home in Saraland, Alabama, and you're gonna enjoy checking this 2020 built home out. Let's show you around. Walking in the front door, past the custom wood door with glass, there's tons of natural light in this open concept room. The living room is large. I love the luxury vinyl plank flooring that's throughout the entire house. We've also got the tray ceiling with recessed lighting in the living room area, making it feel extra spacious, all lending itself open to the kitchen with the painted white cabinets, the kitchen island, granite counters. Really is a great concept room for entertaining, hosting, and having a great time with family. Right off the kitchen and the mudroom entrance, it walks right into the primary bedroom. A beautiful space with neutral gray walls, crown molding, recessed lighting, and an ensuite primary bathroom that really does look incredible. You've got ceramic tile around the soaker tub, his and her vanities with the same granite and cabinet package as the kitchen, a separate shower, and one of my favorite design features of this home is this primary closet that goes from the primary bath, it walks through the laundry room and right back to the mudroom entrance. Bedrooms 2 and 3 right off the living room are on either side of the hallway and share a full bath in the hall that have incredible floors and a ceramic tile surround in the shower that really looks amazing. If you're looking to move to Saraland, Alabama, you can give myself a call. We'd be happy to help you make that move. And if you want to keep watching pretty houses, you can click our playlist right here. And if you don't want to miss anything we do going forward, you can click subscribe right here.